Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's incredibly relevant in our fast-paced lives: stress management. We all experience stress at some point, and it's crucial to have effective techniques at our disposal to navigate through it. In this video, we're going to explore 7 powerful strategies that can help you not only cope with stress but thrive in the face of it. So, whether you're dealing with work-related pressures, personal challenges, or just the everyday demands of life, these techniques are designed to provide you with practical tools to find your calm amidst the chaos. Without further ado, let's jump right into the 7 stress management techniques that can make a real difference in your well-being. 1. Deep breathing. Take slow, deep breaths to activate your body's relaxation response. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It also helps to reduce the levels of stress hormones in the body. 3. Meditation and mindfulness. These practices involve training your mind to focus on the present moment, which can help reduce anxiety and stress. They can also improve emotional well-being. 4. Time management. Organize your tasks and prioritize them. This helps prevent feeling overwhelmed by giving you a clear plan of action. 5. Social support. Talk to friends or family members about what's stressing you out. Sometimes, sharing your feelings and concerns can provide a fresh perspective and emotional support. 6. Healthy lifestyle choices. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding excessive caffeine or alcohol can contribute to better stress management. 7. Hobbies and relaxation techniques. Engage in activities you enjoy, like reading, painting, gardening, or listening to music. These can be powerful tools for relaxation and a break from daily stresses. Remember, it's important to find what works best for you, as different techniques may resonate differently with different individuals. Also, don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're struggling with chronic or severe stress. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for being a part of this school of mental health.